Hey everybody, welcome back to another break. This is Triple B, Bobby Bleeds Blue, and it's not really much out there in the stores, but what I did see on eBay, I saw these, and I think, hey, I had fun opening these up last year or earlier, and I'm gonna open these up today just so I can see what's in here. Maybe I get some luck. Every once in a while I'll open one of these and get an autograph, something like that. Never really find relics in Bowman, but we'll see what we can get. It's not a high-end product. It's not anything, it's hard to get, hard to find. 6 packs in here. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Okay. So 2019 Bowman, 72 cards for the pack. So let's open this up and see what we have. Ryan Barucki, Chance Adams, Justice Sheffield, Cedric Mullins, Jonathan Weiser, Daniel Dos Santos, and this Diaz camera. That's nice. Oh, Fernando Tatis Jr. ready for the show. Chrome. That's a nice one. It's a really nice one. Slide this. These protective sleeves. That's a nice one. I like that card. And Joey Wentz, Jose De La Cruz, first Bowman, and that's chrome. Cole Winn and Kevin Smith. This chrome card is really nice too. Put that next to over here next to Fernando. Okay, those to the side. Pack number 2. First pack is pretty good. Nothing spectacular, but these boxes don't cost that much in retail. I think they cost like $19.99, something like that. And Cookie, do not jump up here. I see you trying to look. Okay, Zach Greinke, Eugenio Suarez, Brian Anderson, Chris Davis, Brandon Crawford, Ronald Guzman, Chris Bryant. Love my Cubbies. I hope we find a way to keep him, because if we can't sign him to a long-term deal, it'll be crushing as a Cub fan. Julio Rodriguez, heard a lot of good things about him. Anthony Siegler, chrome is very nice. Casey Mize chrome is very nice. He has a lot of upside. And put my chromes to the side. First Bowman's. Stack those chromes up right there. I love the chrome. Whether it's Topps chrome or Bowman chrome, the cards really stand out, and they really they look nice. They look really good. It's, compared to the older cards, I picked up a Roger Maris Harmon Killebrew card, but you can see the edge. This card, it's not going to be a Gem Mint 10 when I send it in. I got it for a really good price though. Actually, a few of them. A couple of them. I've been trying to look into getting Mickey Mantles lately, because I've seen them pretty cheap online. Trey Mancini, he was diagnosed with cancer. Hopefully he'll fight back and come back and be really strong with the Orioles. Ramos Garcia, Bryce Wilson, DJ Stewart, Rowdy Tellez, Mike Trout, Wander Franco. Yes, that's going in a sleeve. That's a very nice card. His first Bowman card. Get that in the sleeve. That's a really nice card. I know this card is worth more than 20 bucks, so definitely pay for this singular box. And let me see, this is Mancini. We went through those. Mike Trout, stacked over there on top of my coat. Chris Bryant, Julio Pablo Martinez, top 100 chrome. That's a beautiful card. Let me put that up there too. Taylor Widener, I heard he has a very, very bright future ahead. Jordan Adams chrome. Logan Webb, first card. He's gonna be a great one too. These packs have been actually fantastic. And it's great value for the money I spent. I think I spent after taxes and shipping, I think I paid like $45 for both these. Landed scooter, roof and door. He has a great right hook. Asked Jose Batista about that. Do a bat flip, and then he actually ran up on this guy and he rocked him. Look it up on YouTube. He had thrown probably the biggest right hook in MLB history. He literally laid it on that guy. Anthony Rizzo, another one of my fantastic cubbies. NJ Mendez. Sandro Fabian, 16 out of 99. Green parallel. That's awesome. Jesus Luzardo, Bowman Chrome. Look at this box. This box is phenomenal. I have recouped my money back for every card. There's another chrome card. I'll put that up here. Hope you guys are having a happy Tuesday. This is Tuesday where I'm at, Tuesday evening around 11 p.m. I usually record and then I'll check out my recordings later, and if I want to delete something and edit, I'll do that. But lately I haven't been editing anything. I've been getting a little better with these breaks. I just don't want any silence. Need to keep it going. Hey, Ron Acuna Jr. If you don't know about him, ask somebody. He came out smoking. He's still smoking. He's projected to be a 5-tool player for at least the next 15 years. Jeff McNeil, batting champ from last year. Steven Duggar, I have your rookie auto. Pulled that out of a box. Kyle Tucker. And, wow, 30th anniversary card. The Justice Setfield rookie card, chrome. That is a beautiful card. Put that over here. Tristan McKenzie, Keibert Ruiz, chrome. Andres Jimenez, chrome. Matt Manning, Jordan Adams. Jordan Adams is going to be a great player too. Wow, this is a phenomenal box. Phenomenal box. I'm going to keep that and that. Put those to the side. Last pack of the first box. I'm really satisfied with that pack. The only thing I need is an auto. If I pull an auto out of here right now, it could be a Rowdy Tellez. I'll be really happy. Uh-oh, I see a purple back there. Nolan Arenado, Clayton Kershaw, future Hall of Famer, Ahmed Rosario, Evan Longoria, Willie Adames, Juan Soto, put that over in a good pile, Whit Merrifield, Christian Pache, purple pale ale, 40 out of 250. That's a very good card. Terso Ornelas, Franklin Perez, chrome. Michael Chavis, and Bo Burrows. Wow, I love that. I love Bowman Chrome. I love Topps Chrome also. I actually have a couple more Topps Chrome as a part 2, because I ordered some Topps Chrome. I want to look at the bigger boxes and the smaller boxes. I did the 2 bigger boxes that I had yesterday. I uploaded that. Yesterday, maybe the day before. I think it was yesterday. And today, I'm going to do this one. But part 2 is coming to that Topps Chrome. Topps 2 is coming tomorrow, part 2. When I get off work, I'll be here at about 4:45 a.m. I should be recording at about 5. It should be posted by 6 a.m. Okay, last box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs. Last box. Here we go. What you doing over there? Messing with stuff. Here's my cat. She just loves the frolicking things. Aramis Garcia, rookie card. Bryce Wilson, DJ Stewart, Rowdy Tellez, Mike Trout again, Scooter Gennett, Christian Pache, Boba Shett. Now that's a nice card. Boba Shett, top 100 chrome. Corey Ray, Jose De La Cruz, first Bowman. Ramos Admin, Ronaldo Hernandez. Let's make these stacks a little bit better. All right, stop sliding everywhere, Mr. Bowman Chrome. Here we go. Pack number 2. Salvador Perez, Josh Hader, Aaron Nola, Edwin Diaz, Rufin Dodor, Mr. Rizzo, Mr. Acuna Jr., Albert Abreu, Anthony Siegler, Chrome, Casey Mize, Chrome, Bo Bichette. All of those cards are fantastic cards. This is a great box. 2 boxes, great pools. It's really hard to find autos in packs like this. Adolis Garcia, Jeff McNeil again, Steven Duger, Chris Shaw, Kyle Tucker, Nolan Arenado, Daz Cameron, Brendan McKay, 30th anniversary Chrome. This is really nice. Nick Madrigal, Jordan Adames, Adam Hazley, Alec Bohm. I heard a lot about him too, but he's probably not going to come up to maybe 2021, maybe. Well, now, of course, everybody's 2021, maybe 2022. Just drafted recently. Okay, we got future Hall of Famer Clayton Kershaw, Nate Rosario, Evan Longoria, Willie Adames, Juan Soto. I keep my Juan Sotos. Taylor Ward, Wander Franco, first Bowman, another one. Oh man, this has turned out to be great. Taylor Trammell, 7 out of 499. Jesus Luzardo, Chrome with an awesome pack. Christian Javier, first Bowman, and Blake Rutherford. All right, now we get down to the last 2 packs. I've been very satisfied with this break. All those cards in that stack right there have basically paid for both these boxes and some. Those Wander Franco, if I got those cards graded, I know for a fact that both of those cards will give me at least $100, and that's just me not even being optimistic. That's me knowing for what Wander Franco goes for. Michael Kopech, great upside to him. Austin Riley, top 100. Justin Dunn, Keibert Ruiz, Chrome, Andre Jimenez, Chrome, Jesus Sanchez, and Ryan Mountcastle. He has a very, very, very good upside. Last pack. Maybe I can get an Adley Rutschman out of here. That'd be nice. Joe Adele, Jordan Alvarez, first Bowman card or something like that. If he's in this set, I don't know if he's in this set. David Fletcher, Kobe Allard. I think he was just traded. He was just traded to the Tigers. MJ Mendez, Talent Pipeline, Eloy Jimenez, Zach Collins, and Blake Rutherford. That is a wonderful card. Bowman Chrome. It's not numbered, but that's a very, very nice card. Nick Niebert, Franklin Perez, Bowman Chrome, Ryan Weathers, and Jonathan Hernandez. I have this Bowman Chrome also. Wow, came out to be 2 pretty good boxes. Hopefully you all were entertained. This 15-minute video. I have another video coming tomorrow. Then I'm doing Topps Chrome again tomorrow. Topps Chrome 2019. But these are 2 smaller boxes. I wanted to actually do all 5 boxes at one time so I can compare what you could find in all the boxes. But the first 3 boxes that I had, they were pretty good. I didn't get any autos, but that's okay. You can't get autographs in every single time you open up packs. Well, you all have a wonderful day. I'm about to go and put all these cards together. I think I showed you all this one that I picked up that has Norman Cash, Rocky Covito, Harmon Killebrew in the middle, Dion Wagner, Jim Gentile, and Roger Maris. And I picked up this doozy also. It's 1960 batting leaders. You got Willie Mays on there. You got Roberto Clemente on there. And I picked up this home run leaders. We have Mickey Mantle down at the bottom corner. And that is Harmon Killebrew. Next to him, Jim Gentile again and Roger Maris. So these guys here were pretty much big time boppers in the 60s. Well, I picked up those cards and they'll be going in the PC. I'm gonna go and get them all graded. And sometime within the next, I don't know, the next year or so, I'm gonna have a video showing all the cards that I got graded and the progress I made from the beginning when I started shooting these videos up until now. So you all have a wonderful evening. I've had a great time doing these videos, and I plan on doing a lot more for you. So keep your head up. Make sure you wear your gloves, wear your mask. It's really, really important that you all take care of yourselves. This thing, it may not look like it's a problem, but I know a lot of people that are suffering from this, family members and friends of my family and everybody back home, back in Chicago. So just know, I'm thinking about everybody. I care about you all. I thank you for the support. If you like this video, like it, and give me a subscribe, and I will come and do the same for you. I always come and check out my people that comment, and I go and check out their videos. And you know, it's part of the community. We're all together, and you all be safe. And if you didn't do it today, I'm pretty sure you should. Give your loved ones a hug and kiss them, telling you love them. And we don't know how much longer we have, so make the best of it. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.